Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. So we just got back from the grocery store and I had a package waiting for me at the door. I am so excited about this package. I've been waiting for it for a couple days now. I can't wait to get it set up and show you guys what I got. It's something I've been wanting for a while and something I really need. So first we're gonna do a little unboxing, show you what all is inside the box, and then Alan is gonna be setting it up for me because I'm not really good at putting things together. So let's get to it. I'll show you what I got. I am about to introduce y'all to the world's most comfortable chair that I have ever had the pleasure of meeting. First off, we're gonna get this box open and my husband is gonna get everything out of the packaging and put it all together for me because like I said, I'm not really good at putting things together. So this is everything that came in the box, everything you're gonna need for this chair, which also included leather cleaning cream and gloves. Now this is the chair before it was set up. It was still sitting in the box, but my husband couldn't resist. He said it looked so comfortable, he just had to sit in it before we got started putting it together. And he also wanted me to tell y'all that you could totally use this just as a floor chair without the legs because it's that good. Anyways, this is the Austin chair from Kinnls. We got this chair in the gray color with the silver 5-star base. This chair is filled with duck down, which if you have never experienced duck down, let me just tell you, it's the most comfortable thing ever. It's super soft and cushiony. It feels like one of those big, fluffy, cozy pillow tops that you put on your bed. This chair features an ergonomic backrest. The backrest fits the contours of your body and conforms to the curve of your spine. Honestly, our previous chair was supposed to be good for back support, but after sitting in it for about 7 years now, I can tell you there was no back support. Even though the other chair was okay, it was terrible for my back. There was no back support at all, and all it ever did was cause me pain, honestly. This is my husband setting it up for me. Honestly, it was really easy to put together. You just snap the wheels on and connect some parts to the chair, and then you connect it to the base, so it was pretty easy to do. And I said, so like I said, this chair is filled with premium down, which provides support and distributes pressure evenly when you're sitting on it or leaning on it. It has an extra wide design. This chair is 1.5 times the size of an ordinary office chair. It has a really nice, sturdy base. It has the ability to spin around or rock back and forth, basically lean back. It can also lift up and down according to your needs. You might not know this about me, but I do a lot of work on the computer, not just with my videos and my YouTube channel, but there is a lot of things that I do that requires me to sit at my desk on my desktop. And some days I sit here for hours. We've had the same chair for several years now, and I can't tell you how tired I've been of sitting in that chair. It has caused me so much back pain and discomfort. This one though is absolute perfection. It's the most comfortable chair I have ever sat in, and it's definitely my most favorite thing in my home right now. This chair also features a nice high back and it has very good width to it. The chair almost holds you or hugs you or cups you in a way, which makes sitting in it even better. Different parts are filled with different thickness but gives you the same comfort, and it's made with real leather, so it even feels so good to the touch. The contact surface is made of cowhide leather and it has good density and elasticity. Not only is this a comfortable chair that is perfect for home and office, it has a gorgeous look about it. It's absolutely beautiful to me, and it also comes in different colors. Like I said, we got the gray, but it also comes in black and khaki, and you can also choose a different color base. This is unlike any other chair that I have ever sat in. And as I'm doing this voiceover, it's actually the next day, and I've been sitting in this chair all day, and let me tell you, it is so relaxing, and I haven't had any pain. I've been in complete comfort all day. I'm actually able to relax in this chair as opposed to just sitting miserable for hours. And honestly, if I wasn't working right now, I would probably fall asleep in this chair because it's so comfortable. I'll have the link to this chair down below in my description if you would like to check it out, or if you'd like to see the other colors or find out more information on it. It'll be down below in my description.
Searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul.
Up next, I'm going to share a quick and easy dinner idea with y'all. Before we set this chair up, we had went to the grocery store. Alan had just got back from work and I didn't have anything to cook, so he picked me up and took me to the grocery store. We grabbed some of this chickpea pasta, some zucchini, and a rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken is a quick and easy way to make a quick and easy meal. It's already made, so all you have to do is cut into it and make some sides if you want to. Also, if you don't feel like cooking anything at all to go along with the chicken, just grab a mixed bag of salad and voila, dinner is served. And now that I'm done with dinner, I'm going to clean up this mess because it's a huge mess, as you can see. So I'm going to start doing that now. I'm also going to be packing my husband's lunch, and I'm basically just giving him the leftovers of what we ate today. I'm also packing him some blueberry muffins, a couple waters, and I also made him a cranberry water.
Couple hours from Japan, would you stay awake? I'm losing touch of who I am when you're far away, and I feel like I'm running.
But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did by giving this video a like. If you have anything to say, leave it down below in the comments. And if you like my content and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!